Method 1. Clean ceramic floors. 1. Sweep and/or vacuum floor before cleaning. If you vacuum the floor, you may want to go over it with a microfiber dust cloth mop to ensure you've removed any debris. 2. Clean the mop before you clean the floor. Make sure you are working with a mop that has been cleaned before the last cleaning. The last thing you want is to use a dirty or soiled mop, because it will transfer the odor to the newly cleaned floors. 3. Fill a bucket with 2 parts water and 1 part white vinegar. Or you can simply clean these floors with warm water depending on the dirt level of the floors. 4. Dip mop into the bucket, squeeze and remove excess water and then mop the floor. Be sure you rinse the mop after every few strokes and then return mop to the bucket to get more warm water or water and vinegar. Method 2. Clean hardwood floors. 1. Remove debris from floors by sweeping and then going over the surface with a microfiber dust cloth mop. Wood floors can be vacuumed, but this approach is not recommended, especially on real wood, as opposed to engineered or laminate floors. Vacuuming wood floors can produce scratches. 2. Boil water and add 2 tea bags. Any type of tea will work because the tannic acid in the tea will clean and shine the floors. Allow tea bags to seep in the boiling water for several minutes before removing. Don't use tea until it's warm but no longer piping hot, which could burn your skin during use. 3. Use a soft cloth, flat surface mop. The cloth should be removable and completely clean before using. 4. Immerse clean mop cloth in hot water, wring out and apply to the mop. You want the cloth to be wet, but not soaked. 5. Pour a small amount of tea water on wood floor and follow through with mop. Don't over-soak the floor or else you will end up with streaks. Method 3. Clean vinyl floors. 1. Remove major debris from your floor first by sweeping up large pieces into a dustpan and emptying into the trash. If you have one, follow this by using a microfiber dust mop to pick up finer dirt from the floor that is harder to see. Pick up with the broom and empty into the trash. For an even, cleaner surface, use a vacuum cleaner on the floor on the lowest carpet surface setting. If available, vinyl floors are relatively durable, so you can use the vacuum cleaner with confidence. 2. Prepare a cleaning solution for resilient floors in a bucket. If you'd like to make your own, combine 1 part borax with 2 parts warm water in a bucket. You can also use vinegar and water at a dilution of 1 cup of vinegar per gallon of water. Pregnant people and children should not handle borax. 3. Dip your clean mop into the bucket, wring out and begin to mop the floor. Although any mop will do the trick, you may want to use a mop that has thick bristles to really remove any grime or grease.